Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're back for some more tutorials on web fishing, talking about how to change your outfit, how to purchase new upgrades for your outfit, different shirts and hats and boots and everything, along with how to change into them. So one of the things you can do is while you're playing the game, you'll notice that there is this point board, and as you're playing around and you're catching different types of fish, you will unlock different rewards by simply catching things. And some of those rewards are money, extra XP, a title that you can wear, and even some different outfits and shirts. So make sure you check back to this bulletin board periodically so you catch all of those great upgrades, and then you can also go in and talk to the various shopkeepers, from the possum here to the hidden shack on the edge of the shore. And you can buy things like different facial features, different crazy anime eyes, hats, shirts, tank tops, shorts, flannels, which, you know, you gotta have flannels. We're going into winter here. And then also some stuff down here that's extra expensive and mysterious. And then once you've got the stuff that you want, you can open up your inventory by hitting tab. And here at the top, you can customize not only your character, but also the clothing that you're wearing. So you can change between a cat and a dog at any time. You can change the pattern that your character is. You can change what their primary color is if you want. I usually go with like a nice teal, but you could be a yellow if that's more what you're into. And then you've also got things like what style of tail that you want, although I gotta turn myself around. Maybe I got like a springy tail or a fox tail or a short tail, regular old dog tail. The choice is yours. And then inside of here, you can also change your clothing outfit, like I was saying, for things like what shirt you're wearing, for undershirt. I've got some boots and antlers that I purchased earlier. You can also change your title to things like Koi Boy, because I caught a bunch of koi fish earlier, Cozy, or Critter. Pretty much anything that you unlock here for titles will appear in the title section. You can also change out your bobber if you purchase extra bobbers and adjust the pitch of your voice. And that's what changes things like when you hit G to bark. That is changed by changing the pitch of your voice inside of the customization menu. So that's been a brief look at how to get different outfits, buy different outfits, and unlock different outfits. You can even find some of them while you're fishing in treasure chests, and then you can use those to customize your character and look extra suave. So until next time, I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.